The Laser Brightness Interactive Calculator solves a critical engineering challenge, determining the radiance or brightness of laser beams, measured in watts per square millimeter per steradian. This fundamental parameter helps you optimize fiber coupling, evaluate beam quality, and design efficient optical systems. This calculator offers 6 distinct calculation modes. You can calculate brightness from power and beam parameters, determine required power for target brightness, find maximum divergence for target brightness, calculate beam area from brightness and power, determine fiber coupling efficiency, or calculate beam quality m² from brightness. Let's demonstrate the first mode, calculating brightness from power and beam parameters. For this calculation, you'll need 4 inputs. First, enter the laser power in watts. Next, input the beam waist radius in millimeters. This is the radius at the beam's narrowest point. Then add the full divergence angle in milliradians, which describes how the beam spreads. Finally, enter the wavelength in nanometers. Let's work through a practical example. For a typical industrial fiber laser, enter 100 watts for laser power. Set the beam waist radius to 0.5 millimeters. Input 2 milliradians for the full divergence angle. Enter 1064 nanometers for the wavelength, common for ytterbium fiber lasers. The calculator will instantly compute your laser's brightness value. This brightness result tells you the laser's radiance, how much optical power flows through a given area into a specific solid angle. Higher brightness means better focusability and improved fiber coupling efficiency. One critical insight: beam waist radius dramatically impacts brightness. Having the waist radius quadruples your brightness, making beam quality optimization essential. Find the link in the description below.